Alright, so let's try it for fun. Hopefully it'll survive. 1 ohm mono on the sub channel. This amp's only rated to handle 2 ohm loads. What's up guys, Big D Wiz back once again. Today we're going to check out this little JL audio. This is a XD500/3, 500/3, sorry, not 5000. Tiny little amp. Here, show you a size reference. There's a CD. You can see very small footprint. So this amp is sort of unique. It's a 3-channel amp. So you've got 75 watts by 2 for the front channels and up to 300 by 1 for the sub channel. And it's got a lot of different crossover modes. You can actually run the sub channel full range and not have it low pass at all, which is kind of cool if you've got another, an external crossover using somewhere else. And the same thing with the front channels. You can turn off the crossover. You can set it to high pass. Set your input mode to 2-channel or 4. The remote terminal, you can tell it whether it's a subwoofer or if it's all the channels. And it tells you where the pre-outs go. If it's channel 1 and 2, the sub, or a sum of both. And anyway, it's a really nice, clean little amp with this. I love this little aluminum cover that covers up everything, and very simple to get to. So decided I was going to hook this up on the Amp Dyno. Now this was not sent to me by JL Audio or anything. This is just an amp I bought myself. So this is not an official test for them or anything. This is my amp and I'm going to try it out. So let's see how it does. Rated 75 by 2 and 300 by 1. And we'll see how she does. The JL Audio XD500/3. Let's check it out. Alright guys, we got the JL Audio XD500/3 hooked up to the Amp Dyno. First off, we're going to do a certified run for the front channels, which are bridged. They're rated at 75 watts by 2. So we were expecting 150 watts. Again, the ratings are at 14.44 volts, so I'm gonna have to boost up the voltage a little bit here. Just want to see what it does straight out of the bat. Nice. 156 watts, 13.5 volts. Nice. 181 watts, 14.5 volts. So about 90 watts per channel at 4 ohms. Providing you give it enough voltage, 14.5 volts. Alright, let's try the certified run at 4 ohms for the front channels. Rated at 100 by 2. So we're expecting 200 watts here. Wow. Beats that easily. 300 watts. So we're getting about 150 watts per channel at 2 ohms on the front channels, or if you bridge it, 300 watts. Very nice. Alright, so now we have the sub channel hooked up to input number 2, so we're going to look at channel B this time. And we're going to do the 2-channel test. We'll start off at 4 ohms. Amps rated to 200 watts on the sub channel at 4 ohms. Okay, we get 192 at 14.13 volts on the sub channel. Alright, let's try 2 ohms on the sub channel. It's rated to do 300 watts at 14.44 volts. Bump the voltage up a little bit, try to keep it as close to 14.4 as we can. Wow. 431 watts, 2 ohms at 14 volts. nicely over the rated power. Can this amplifier do even more power? Find out after a quick note here from our sponsor, patreon.com/oldschoolstereo. We have several supporters at patreon.com/oldschoolstereo, and thank you guys for your support. It helps us get through the monthly costs involved with running Old School Stereo. And also, these guys get behind the scenes perks and benefits that not everybody else gets to see. So if you'd like to support us for as little as $1 per month, check us out. Thanks for your support, guys. Alright, so let's try it for fun. Hopefully it'll survive. 1 ohm mono on the sub channel. This amp's only rated to handle 2 ohm loads. Wow! 672 watts, certified at 1 ohm mono, 14.6 volts. Incredible. Alright guys, there you have it. The Amp Dyno test here of the JL Audio XD500/3. Amplifier performed extremely well. Did its rated power at all ohm loads. Got very close at some, like the 4 ohm load. If we would have given it 14.4, it would have gotten over 200, no doubt. But the crazy part about this amp is the 1 ohm mono certified, 672 watts. This amp is not even rated to do 1 ohm. On the sub channel, it's only rated to do 2 ohms, and even at 2 ohms, it far surpasses its output power. Excellent amplifier here, tiny amplifier, great quality, sounds superb. Again, this was not sent to me by JL Audio. I bought this myself off of eBay. Wanted to try out one of these on the dyno, so my amp, wanted to try it however I wanted to, but I'm impressed. Great job on these amps, JL. I know they have the V2 versions out now, so this is the older one. But as far as the design goes, the V2 just changes some of the input settings and like the remote turn on. But as far as the amp goes, this one's still a very, very nice amp. So highly recommended. JL Audio XD500/3. Big D Wiz, Old School Stereo, testing new amps. Until next time, I'm out of here.